Hello everyone, I have a good news for you. Today I discovered a new website where you can practice every single day with new topics. So hey everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Neha and I share my English speaking journey here. So if you are also learning English and going through the same phase as me, then this channel is for you. In my two recent videos, I show you about Unprompt Cool website where you can practice with new topics every day. And today's website is also similar as Unprompt Cool. There also you can practice with new topics every day, but if you have so many websites like that, you can get different types of topics every day, okay? The reason I'm finding new website is with Unprompt Cool also you can practice with new topics. So why we need another website to practice? There is a very strong reason behind it. So if we get so many websites like in Unprompt Cool, we get another type of words, vocabulary, topics, okay? And in this website which I'm going to tell you, this website you can set words according to your level, okay? If you are in a beginner level, you can get easy words. There is an option in that website that if you want easy words, you can set it, okay? There is a setting also. If you want difficult words, if you want beginner level words, if you want advanced level words, if you want intermediate level words, you can get by your level, okay? So this is the benefit of this website, and I always suggest you that don't stuck with one option because there is a lot of options. So why one option, right? So yeah, let's not waste time. Let's directly jump into the video. Today I will only share about how you can do speaking practice with new topics with this website, and in the next video I will show you all the features of this website, so stay tuned. And today's video is going to be very interesting, so watch till the end. The process of opening this website is also similar as Unprompt Cool. So this website name is speechtopicgen.com, okay? And it's also looks very aesthetic, guys. Let me just show you. The light directly, yeah, can you see it now? It is looks like this, and isn't it very aesthetic? So this is the interface of this website, and you just need to go to the Google and just search that speechtopicgen.com, okay? And this interface appears. So here you can get the spin option. Here is it, okay? And there is a start timer option. So this is also the same process we need to follow. So the topic is running 5 minutes late, okay? The topic is running 5 minutes late. Then let's start. So now it's time to start the timer. So today's topic is running 5 minutes late. Running 5 minutes late is a very common phrase used when someone is to arrive 5 minutes after the expected or planned time, okay? It is usually used in casual conversations. For example, you can say, if a meeting starts at 10 a.m. and someone arrives at 10:05 a.m., they can say, sorry, I'm 5 minutes late. Sorry, I'm running 5 minutes late, okay? And it doesn't means always that it exactly 5 minutes. It can simply mean that the person who is getting late, he is slightly late, okay? So it means it can simply that person slightly late, okay? So yeah, that is what running 5 minutes late phrase means. So that is all for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that I can make more videos like this. And don't miss the next video, because in next video I will tell you everything about this website, every single features, every single benefit you can get from this website. So don't miss it, okay? And yeah, stay healthy, stay tuned, and keep learning, keep practicing everything, okay? Bye bye. I will see you in the next one.